Okay, Hurricane Idalia was, well, let me just say, Naples got spared. It wasn't that bad at all for us. We had some winds, maybe 25, 30. And this morning, the winds are even picking up. Maybe they'll be 30, 35. So my wife and I are over here at the tennis courts. Some of these windscreens came down. So we're just taking care of that right now. And then after we're done here, I'm going to head out to Immokalee for a fruit haul, see what I can get for oranges. So here we are at the beach in Naples. This location right here is like half a mile to a mile from where I was at the tennis courts that I work at. And so quite a storm surge, and we were not even that close to the storm. I mean, it was out in the Gulf, you know, probably hundreds of miles. So I feel for those people in northern Florida. Unprecedented storm surge. I think it was probably like 15 feet. Hey, I made it out here. I'm at the farmer's market in Immokalee. This is about 23 miles from my house in Naples. So I'm going to take a look around here. My main thing I'm looking for today is oranges. I want to get some good oranges. Okay, there you have it. I got 3 decent sized boxes. They were 26 a pop, which is not bad. You know, they're juice oranges from California. So I'm happy with this. 78 bucks, but I love my orange juice and it's a big part of my diet. So I think I did okay. Okay, back from Immokalee. Got the oranges loaded up in the garage fridge. So it's time now to have some OJ and then do a short workout before I eat my main meal of the day. I got my first glass squeezed here. I got about 16 ounces in this glass. Took me 4 oranges. I always eat the pulp out of my juicer. You want the whole package. So after I drink this, I'm going to take a little rest, check some emails and different things. And then I'm going to do a short workout. Remember, do something every day. You want to do something. So, and then after that, I'll have a big fruit bowl. Probably the most calories I will eat all day, somewhere around 1,000 to 1,200. This morning I had 6 bananas and 1 huge mango blended, so that was at least, I'd say, 700 calories. So this here, I'm not sure how many are in there, maybe 300, somewhere around, give or take. Okay, I just did a 10-minute reverse walk around the tennis court. I'm going to do 3 exercises now. First one, tibialis raises. The tibialis raise is really good for your stopping, your starting, and your jumping. Very important for tennis players, basketball players. So that tibialis muscle runs next to your shin bone. The further I go away from the post here, the more difficult it is for me to raise my toes up. So I'm going to do 25 reps, 4 sets. It looks kind of easy, but it can get very intense, this exercise. So 3 more sets of that. Then I'm going to move on to leg raises with ankle weights. So good for the hip flexors, the lower abdomen. Okay, so you need a strong core, you need strong hip flexors to be explosive. And then the last exercise I'm going to finish off, I always do some type of stretch. I'm going to work on my Jefferson curl with 2 20-pound kettlebells. I'll do 50 pulses. I forgot to mention I've got these ankle weights on too. They're each 5 pounds, so it makes it more difficult because I know I can do 10 pretty easy without weight. I was rocking a little bit. I don't want to do that as much, but I'm still feeling it pretty good in the hip flexors and the lower abdomen. Well, I hope you enjoyed that workout, and remember, like I said earlier, do something every day. some days your motivation will be low. Other days it's soaring. So today it was kind of mediocre. I didn't, I did a lot this morning, and then I went and got the oranges and everything. So it's a pretty simple, straightforward workout. The point is I'm doing something, so I'm building on what I've gained already. Time flew by today. This is really late for me, having that big calorie meal. It's actually 4:20 right now. So I won't have my salad till 6:30 or so tonight. But anyway, what do I have in here? I've got 7 bananas, a huge mango cubed up. Some of the bananas are chopped and some of them are blended. I blended with a little bit of vanilla. I've got strawberries in there. I've got grapes, and I also have some dried mulberries. So I'm going to fruit up, and I'll show you the salad later. Just a simple salad with a simple dressing. I think you're going to start calling me the king of simple. This is dinner, super simple. I've got a head of red leaf right there. My homemade dressing, the oranges I got today, 2 oranges with 2.5 tablespoons of almond butter. I've got a cucumber, I've got some raisins. I love raisins in my salad. Got some tomatoes, and I've got some kale chips. Kale chips came out really well. Very different this time. I didn't go with the lemon, I went with lime. I used 2 heads of kale, de-stemmed, and then chopped those up into bite-sized pieces. And then the juice for your sauce, you're going to use 3 limes, 3 good-sized tomatoes, about 5 ribs of celery, and 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of soaked walnuts. That's your sauce. So you put those ingredients in the blender. Also, I forgot to mention, I put in a tablespoon of cumin. So put that in your blender. Put the kale leaves in a big bowl. Pour your sauce on top, massage it, and put it in the dehydrator from anywhere from like 6 to 8 hours, 9 hours if you want them real crispy, and that you get a lot of crunch. So that's it. The king of simple. I don't like to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. I'd rather be outside doing something. And meals, the simpler they are, the better they are for you. So all the best, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Life is busy, and these are just a few of my responsibilities that you saw today. But anyway, I hope that you liked this video. Please give me a like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. The channel is all about health tips and tips on staying raw, because I firmly believe that raw is the healthiest way to eat. And I'm just trying to do my best, trying to stay healthy. So all the best, guys, and fruit up. Take care.